Picture a lively living space where style meets camaraderie. At Stratus in Sheffield, student living is transformed with chic ensuites designed to be your own cozy escape. Every element is crafted with your comfort in mind. Relax on a sumptuous bed after a busy day, excel in your studies with a dedicated desk and chair, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a lockable bedroom. But that's just the beginning. Your rent covers all essentials: water, heating, electricity, and high-speed Wi-Fi, ensuring you have everything you need. Enjoy the communal TV for movie nights and take advantage of additional parking if needed, all while staying cozy with central heating throughout. Location is everything. Situated just a short stroll from Sheffield Hallam University and the University of Sheffield, your morning routine is a breeze. Treat yourself at local eateries like Nana's Sheffield or grab a brew at nearby cafes such as Cafe Tucci. Need groceries? No worries, Sainsbury's Local is just around the corner, and excellent public transport options make city exploration a cinch. Ready to make Stratus your home in Sheffield? Visit amberstudent.com and secure your spot today.